Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomie, and today I'm coming to you with how to decorate a miniature Christmas tree. If you want to see how I put this one together, you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay penny pinchers, so here is the tree. It is a small tree, very miniature. I think it's like 3 feet tall. It's actually in a vase, but what I did was I'm using this stand, and this stand is at my front door usually, and it holds like our umbrellas and things, and it has a lid. But today I'm going to let it seem like the tree is taller. So I have just padded the inside of the stand and sat the tree inside of it. Now the other option would just to sit the tree on top of the stand because it does have a lid, but I just wanted to give it the effect of it's coming directly out of the stand. These are the items, the ornaments and picks that I'll be using to decorate this mini tree. And here I also have these beautiful ribbons that I picked up from Michael's. They are $12.99. Let me find the price for you. $12.99 per roll, and I had my coupon to get 30% off. So I have a gold roll and this beautiful one that's in red and green. So let's go ahead and start getting the tree together. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to start with is I'm going to start by adding my ribbons first. This is how I do all of my Christmas trees. Now, is this the correct way? I don't know, but I'm just showing you the way that I do it. So I'm just going to let it hang. That way I can use as much of it as I go along. So I've just dropped it to the floor, and then I'm just going to start to add it to the tree. Okay, so I'm just going to take my ribbon and I'm just going to start tucking it in from the top. And because it's a small tree, I'm just really wrapping it around the branches. Okay, now that I'm at the bottom, I'm just gonna cut the ribbon. I want it to hang a little bit past the tree. So I'm gonna give it some length and I'm gonna cut it about here. Just like that. And then I'm gonna go in and give it that little fishtail also. There you go. So the first one is done. It won't turn around. There you go. So that's done. I'm just gonna let it hang. What I'm doing here, guys, is as you can see, it's kind of like off to the side. I'm doing that because I want to put the red one directly in the center right here. And because this tree is backed up to the wall, I'm not gonna be doing anything to the back at all. I'm just gonna fill in the front and the sides of it. So this red ribbon, oh my goodness, look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. And guys, it's important that when you choose your ribbon, you try to get the one with the wire in the ends. So that way you can twist and turn it however you want to do it, and it won't be a problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add this one directly here in the front. So I'm gonna do the same thing, which is I'm gonna let it fall to the floor. And then I'm just gonna work with it from here. And again, guys, this is all branch action. You're just using the branches to work them around the ribbon. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, is I'm just going to place the other gold ribbon on this side to kind of make it even, and then we'll start adding some of our other accessories. Okay guys, so now I've added all as much ribbon as I'm gonna add. I'm not gonna add any more. Remember, the tree is small, but make sure that you're giving your ribbon enough, you know, fold to add a little bit more volume to your tree. So now that we have the ribbons on, I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna add the picks to it, because the picks are going to fill in those places that are sparse. This tree is very inexpensive. I got it at one of our local stores called the Giant Tiger, and it was like $20, yeah, $19.99 2 years ago. So I'm doing everything right now to make sure that it looks fuller than it actually is. The ribbons help to do that, as well as the picks. So let's go ahead and start adding our picks. I'm gonna go ahead and start with a few of these. And guys, this set, these came from Michael's, I believe, like 5-6 years ago. And these cute little ones actually came from the dollar store. I think I got them at the Dollarama. So I'm just going to put them in different spots to help to make the tree look a little bit fuller. I also have a few of these beautiful roses and some gorgeous leaves. And these guys actually came from a thrift shop. Years ago, I used to just pick up whatever I see there that pertains to Christmas. And now I have a collection of some beautiful reds and golds. So I'm gonna add these also, like I did the picks, to the other areas that are sparse. And then after this, we're going to go ahead and add the ornaments. Okay guys, now we're gonna go ahead and add our ornaments. And I'm using these two. I have some others as well, but these are the two primary ones I'll be using. This I picked up, I think it was about 3 years ago at TJ Maxx on one of my visits to Atlanta, or Ross. It was one of those stores. And this I picked up at HomeSense very, very recently. So let's go ahead and add our ornaments. And then guys, as you are building your tree, as you're putting your tree and your ornaments together, don't be afraid to stop, step aside, take a look at it. Do you like where the placement of the ornaments, the picks, whatever it is are? And take some time to adjust it. Remember, you are creating a masterpiece of your own. So if you don't like something, just pull it out and move it somewhere else. It is your Christmas tree. You know when it's right, and you'll just keep moving around stuff until it's perfect for you. There is no, you know, hard and fast way to do it, or this is the way it should be done. Do it how you feel comfortable to get to your desired look. One of the things that I like to do when working with small trees is I like to use these wire hooks to put in the little opening here where the cord is. But because the tree is small and it might have a little bit of weight to it, I prefer to just attach the wire and attach it to the limb of the tree or a little branch or something. So that way, hanging it this way does not weigh it down and cause the tree to look like it's falling downward. So just a little trick or a little tip is to add the wiring to the ball and attach it to the branch so it's not totally weighing it down by just hanging it here. Another thing that I do as well with the same wire is I'll make clusters. And that way I'll just have one stem to attach to the tree as opposed to 3 different ones. And then I'll put these in an area where there is either a gap or some kind of spacing just to fill it in. So never be shy to go in clusters. Here I have like 3 different sizes. If you want to, you can go 3 the same size or however it works for your tree. But just wanted to show you that you can make little clusters. That way you can fill in any gap or anything that you have to make the tree look fuller and to add more volume. Okay guys, so the tree's coming along and we're doing well so far. But remember how I told you that I basically sat the tree inside of this holder piece? What I'm going to do, I noticed that I have some spacing here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use these larger ornaments and I'm going to put them here to take away all the spacing so you can't look down into the box. So I'm just going to use some larger ones and just go between the branches. Guys, as you can see, I'm not even hanging them. I'm just pushing them in to create an illusion that they are attached. Just like that. And I'll see wherever else they're spacing, and I'll just maybe add some smaller ones to it. So that way it looks a little bit more flush, like it's growing again out of this piece. Okay guys, so after adding all of my ornaments, I decided to make a bow for the top of the tree. Now, I'm not sure why I didn't just get a tree topper like regular people do. I decided to try my hand at making a bow, and if you have been with me for any amount of time at all, you know your girl don't know how to make no bow. So I found this video right here on YouTube, and there are tons of them, and this is what I came up with. So don't judge me too harshly on the bow. I'm consistently trying to, you know, upgrade my bow skills, but for today this is as good as it gets. Now let's go ahead and take a look at everything from top to bottom. Okay guys, this is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining. I truly do appreciate you spending some time with me. And if this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And I would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you are the first to know when I upload new videos. Listen guys, I have 2 more trees that I will be putting up for Christmas in different colors. So again, make sure your notification bells are on so you don't miss any of those uploads. Thank you so much again for watching, and to my lovely penny pinchers, you know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomie saying bye-bye.